Hello everyone, this is me MD Toufic Ahmed and welcome to my channel Learn with Toufic Ahmed. And today is a very special video for you all. I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty the God. So today's video, I hope you saw the thumbnail and you know what the topic of this video. What's the topic of this video? So today I am gonna show you here that this is my store Melody Beat, as you can see. So let's duplicate this. So what I am gonna show you that how to add social icons on your theme, on your store, for your branding, for your business branding. And a business branding is so much important for your store and for your SEO. So if you want to grow in the marketplace and stand out, so your store should must be SEO optimized. So you should add your social icons like accounts like Facebook, Twitter. I mean now it is X, and then Insta, then LinkedIn, everything. Your business. You have if you have multiple business accounts on different social platforms, so you should add it on your store for SEO of your business. So this is my theme, and its name is pipeline. So in this pipeline, how can you enter this pipeline? Just go to, if you have any theme, any kind of theme, just watch that they have the feature of adding social accounts is available or not. 90%, 99% of all free or paid theme of Shopify, they have this feature, so don't worry about that. So just go to customize. I will make a short video, not too much long, and I will now open my social accounts like my YouTube channel, copy link, I am duplicating this, like YouTube channel, my Facebook, my LinkedIn profile. Like I have my Facebook page, like Learn with Toufic Ahmed. This is my Facebook page. You can follow me there. Okay, like this is my Facebook page. So this is my YouTube channel. Just copy the link of your the URL or handle of your business accounts, pages. Like this is my Insta. So I have opened 4 social accounts of mine, okay, of myself. So now I will show you how to add this 4 social accounts URL or handles to my store for personal branding. And if you can add your business page or business YouTube channel, business anything to your store. Okay, so there is some net issue. Wait, okay, at first let's copy the Facebook page. Okay, so there is the handle, copy that, then go to the setting. Okay, there is a setting option, then go to social media. Look, there is a social media, then just click on this, like this is a Facebook. I will paste the handle, then like this is my YouTube channel, copy this YouTube. There is another work, don't skip the video. And then like Vimeo, Tumblr, LinkedIn, like I have my LinkedIn, I will copy this LinkedIn. And Medium, Snapchat, if you have Snapchat account you can add, then Pinterest account, TikTok account, Insta, I have my Insta, so I am adding the Insta. Okay, we have 4 accounts. Now what we will do, we will see the preview. So look, if I go to the bottom of this theme or my store, look, this is my, when I will click on this, it will open my YouTube channel. Look, Insta, Facebook, Look, the magic of Shopify. You can add easily without any app or any custom coding your social accounts to your store. So if you get this video helpful for your store or business, so please like the video, and if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and you can also follow me on my social accounts, link in the description below. And if you have any queries or question, you can ask me there. uh, uh, Anything about WordPress, Shopify, Webflow, any type of question, video editing, you can ask me. So thank you for today, and we will see in the next video with another video. Okay, and we will get back with a great magic of new tricks and tips. Thank you for today.